Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Neclix. So in today's video, I'm going to explain you the different type of dialog box in the JavaScript. Basically, we have three types of dialog box: alert, confirm, and prompt. So I have made a three function with the name alert one, confirm one, and the prompt one. As we are not going to write the function name as alert because alert is an inbuilt function of a JavaScript, and we don't be typing the same name as that of a custom function in a JavaScript. So, like, remember this point. It's a very important point. You don't have to write the same name of a function that is a built-in function of a JavaScript. So, the value alert, I have made a three buttons. Let's run this. Open in browser. Here the three buttons comes: alert, confirm, and prompt. So by clicking on alert button, it will call an alert one function. Let it start alert one. So hello, this is the alert box. So the alert box is a simple alert box that contains this space says the message which you will be typing over here will be displayed on your screen, and the OK button will just help in closing the window. So moving to the next part, the confirm button. So function confirm, how we have to write it, like I can just have a variable with eb, and confirm is an inbuilt function of a JavaScript. Like I can write, do you want to continue? So it will return a value if ab equals to true, then document dot write, like it's yes from the user, and else document dot write, it's no from the user. So let's run. Confirm is an inbuilt function of a JavaScript. This is just like a message that you want to display on the screen of a user. So let's start with the open browser, confirm. So this is a message that is being displayed on your screen. Like, do you want to continue? So do you want to continue? The two buttons, OK and cancel. By clicking on a OK button, it will send a value as true in AB. So if AB is true, it's yes from the user, means the message will display it's yes from the user. And if I am clicking on a cancel button, then the else will be executed, because if I am clicking on a cancel button, it will have a value false in it. So if AB is true, like currently if I'm going to click on a cancel, then AB will be having a value of false. So the condition does not satisfy. It will come to this part and it's no from the user will return. So okay, it's yes from the user, it's been written. And if I'm going to like click on a cancel, it's no from the user, that has been written. So this is the difference between the alert and the confirm button. Moving to the next part, that is my prompt button. So prompt dialog box is simple, and I have to write as where, let it be AB only. Prompt, in prompt you can just input any value from the user, like enter your name, and I can write it over here, document or write your name is AB, right? So open in browser, prompt. So this is a prompt box. The major difference between the alert and the confirm box is the alert box just simply sends a message. The confirm box just put the two buttons on your dialog box, the OK and cancel. If you want to skip it, then you can skip. The prompt box is always give you you can say a chance, or it supports the input from the user. So if I am writing over here is John, then OK, then John will be stored in AB, and in the next line I am going to display over here is document.write your name is AB. So if I am clicking on a prompt cancel, cancel will just give me a message as your name is null, because AB does not contains any value, so it will print the value null over here. So this is the difference between your alert box, confirm box, and prompt box. I hope you like my videos and subscribe my channel NickLex in order to get further updates of JavaScript tutorial. Thanks for watching my video.